So today we will see isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Set isometric grid and snap. Isometric drawing stimulates a 3D object from a particular viewpoint by aligning along three major axes. By setting the isometric snap or grid, you can easily align objects along one of three isometric planes. However, although the isometric drawing appears to be 3D, it is actually a 2D representation. Therefore, you cannot expect to extract 3D distances and area, display objects from different viewpoints, or remove hidden lines automatically. If the snap angle is 0, the axes of isometric plane are 30 degree, 90 degree and 150 degree. Once you set the snap child isometric, you can work on any of the three planes, each with associated pair of axes. Left, align snaps and grids along 90, 150 degree axis. Top, align snap and grid along 30 and 150 degree axis. Right plane, align snap and grid along 30 and 90 degree axis. Choosing one of the three isometric plane causes ortho and the crosshairs to be aligned along the corresponding isometric axis. For example, when ortho is on, the point you specify align along the stimulated plane you are drawing on. Therefore, you can draw the top plane, switch to the left plane to draw another side, and switch to the right plane to complete the drawing. Click Tool menu, Drafting Settings. In the Drafting Settings dialog box, Snap and Grid tab. Under Snap type, select Isometric Snap. Click OK. To change the different isometric plane, quickly press F5 or Ctrl E to select a different isometric plane. The program cycle through the isoplane top, isoplane right, isoplane left setting. Draw isometric circles. If you are drawing on isometric planes, use an ellipse to represent a circle view from an oblique angle. The easiest way to draw an ellipse with the correct shape is to use the iso circle along the ellipse. Isocircle option of ellipse. The isocircle option is available along when the isocircle option is available only when the style option of snap mode is set to isometric. See DS settings. To draw an isometric circle, click Tools menu, Drafting Settings. In the Drafting Setting dialog box, Snap and Grid tab, select isometric snap. Click OK. Click Draw Ellipse Axis End. Enter isocircle. Specify the center of the circle. Specify the radius or diameter of the circle. Now we will see isometric drawings in AutoCAD. So for drawing isometric drawings, go in this menu. Click on it. This is isometric drafting, isoplane top. So for isoplane top, you can draw any take a line and draw it. Always keep ortho mode on. So this is how I can draw it. Now if I want to change the plane, I can press F5. So this is how I can change the plane. Again I want to draw, again I can draw it. change the plane using F5 key, F5 function key on the keyboard. This is how isometric drawing can be drawn. Now if I want to draw a circle, so to draw a circle, first take ellipse, ellipse axis end. Over here it is written isocircle, or you can press I. Shortcut key for isocircle is I. Enter. Now specify center, and give diameter. This is how circle can be drawn. This is an isocircle. Now note to remember is mirror command or offset command is invalid while drawing isocircle or isometric drafting. Now some drawings I have drawn over here are using isometric drawings, drafting. These are the drawings. This is how isometric drawings can be drawn. Thank you.